नमस्कार brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, friends, sportsmen, students, scholars, professionals and officials, advertisers, journalists, doctors and ministers. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all. Your presence is praiseworthy. You are listening. Interestingly, it is really a matter of happiness. Today's topic from the social reformation and national reformation. We will discuss today tribal marriages. Traditions in India. Basically, Indian land is full of natural heritage, models, different designs, varieties, diversities. But unity in diversity is the greatest feature of our country. In this modern age, still we have many uncivilized, uncultured and tribes. Those who follow traditional customs, cultures, orthodox, it is in their habit. They do not like civilized and cultured people. It is national heritage of our country that we have tribes because they record, preserve, protect the cultural values of our country in the form of such people. We have a treasure of past in the form of museum. We keep records of our history for showing the future generation about our pastoral events, incidents, winnings. It is the pride of our people that they follow and believe in social, political, religious and cultural values. As our land is the evidence of the different starters, innovators, initiators, creators and caretakers. Marriage means meeting of the two hearts. It brings an oceanic change in the mind and heart, physically, personally, professionally, socially, politically, economically, artistically, culturally, and their culture, civilization, caste, language, climate, sex, technique, manner, method, art, many major factors that determined our future of the country through these changes. It is also an institution according to John Donne, who has pointed out on the lover and beloved by saying that there is the meeting of blood between two partners in the one body. Just that is the part of meeting, nothing else. So according to our culture, according to our Indian culture, we must preserve, store, record the values of our nation. Now they have become interested of music, parties, programs,